Hello everyone, welcome back to BenTechCoder, and today we're unboxing the Jabra Elite 75Ts. Now, these are some headphones that have received high praise for just being really good overall headphones. They're true wireless earbuds made by Jabra, and they've just received an update for ANC. So there's a lot going on with these headphones, and I'm just going to go ahead and unbox them, tell you a bit about them, and hopefully do a review soon. So, they support Bluetooth 5.0, they're stereo, active noise cancellation, but only through the outside mics, not inside mics. So it's more like software noise cancellation. I'll have to really check to see if it's, if it's legit, if it sounds as good as my Aukey EPN5s, but that's beside the point. We're gonna go ahead and open up the box at the bottom. I have a little bit of trouble with that. The box is actually really nice. I enjoy them. The runtime, which is without noise cancellation, should be about 7.5 hours, which is pretty good. But my Aukey's got just a little bit better than that, which is okay. So there's also a active version that comes with better water resistance and sweat resistance, but these are IP55. So, which means it's okay. You can sweat in them, you can splash a little bit of water, they're gonna survive, but just don't submerge them because I don't want to be responsible for your losing your earbuds. I'm gonna go ahead and find the two buds right there. And the way that they're structured, they are in-ear buds, which means they have also passive isolation when you're not using ANC. By the way, they have pass-through mode, which means you can use the 4 microphone array on the outside to pump in noise from the outside. So it's a transparency mode that's found on a lot of earbuds these days, and with that 4 microphone array, I can't wait to test it out. So we also got some other stuff. So the case holds about 3 or 2 more charges, depending on whether the earbuds were already charged up to begin with, and recharge time is about 2.2 hours according to Jabra. Now, I'm not sure how much it will actually take for, let's say, 50% to 100%, but if it's 0 to 100 in 2.2 hours, that's okay. They also come with 3 pairs of gel tips. They're called ear gel according to Jabra, but let's just be honest, the regular tips. Here we have the case, and the case itself is actually very, very compact. I love that. I have been using my Aukeys, I've been using the J-Labs, and they have pretty big cases, except of course the Aukeys have a lot smaller. I love smaller cases, and I like smaller earbuds. It makes it easier to go and just take it with them. So that's great, and so we're gonna go ahead and unbox that case, and that is what it sounds like. Always nice to have a good quality case. That is, of course, plastic case, and yes, although it's a plastic case, it's still pretty good. And in comparison with my Aukeys, I mean, it's a really good case. USB 3.0, by the way, USB-C 3.0. So I love having USB-C at the bottom. So great to just be able to plug in your phone and right afterwards plug in your earbuds. It's really nice. And so here we have the actual ear tips, the actual buds. And so I've been using the Aukey, so it's gonna take a while to get my ear to adjust back to that type of in-ear shape. But Jabra has been world renowned for their comfortable earbuds. So I can't wait to go ahead and test out and see if they can make a true impact in the shape of my ear, or just make my ear comfortable in the time that I might have them. So the review won't be coming out for a long time because I'm not able to get them in my possession right now, but soon I will be able to review them, hopefully, maybe not. But this was an unboxing. One more thing, to get the ANC update, you're gonna have to go ahead and download the Jabra app. It's available for Android and iOS. So make sure you go ahead and do that so you can get all the latest firmware and that ANC update. Very important, make sure you do that. So the actual feels from the tips, I might need a bigger tip, but tips themselves come in 3 sizes: small, medium, large, and the medium that it came with sounds pretty good, and it feels really good in my ear as well. But there is a slight problem. If your ear is a certain shape, if it's too narrow, it might not work so well. So that's a bit of concern for myself, and I really hope it doesn't impede me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy these earbuds, but it remains to be seen whether these can go ahead and knock off my precious AUK EPN 5s or my JLabs, which are just a fraction of their now $129 price. The Jabra 75Ts have not fallen from grace, and even though their 85T cousins have already been released with real ANC, not just software ANC, it's still nice to see that Jabra is still pushing their latest, well, almost latest gen, past gen earbuds, and I can't wait to go ahead and test them out. This is BenTechCoder signing off. This is BenTechCoder, and do you want to support the channel and the blog? Well, now you can. This is the Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCoder. There, you can sign up for my membership and support me on a monthly basis, or just buy me a coffee. Real quick, real simple, real easy. Go to buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCoder for more information, and so you can support your favorite content creators like me. buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCoder.